Hello teacher, well here is our Arduino and here is our code, and the way this works is we have a TMP36 sensor connected to the analog input A5, which sends an analog which reads the temperature of the room and sends an analog signal to the Arduino. This analog signal is turned into voltage by this formula and temperature by this one, and it displays it on the serial monitor. Then we have our restrictions for the temperature. The temperature is, if it is above 30, it will turn the red light on, and if it is below 20, it will turn the green light on. So, and if it is between that range, between 20 and 30, it won't turn anything. Both of them should be turned off. And so I'm gonna run it here. And right now our temperature is 25 degrees. We can see it in the serial monitor down below. So none of the LEDs are turned on, but if I turn the temperature into a hotter one, it turns the red light on. And if I turn it back into the I can reach that right there. It turns both of them off, and if I turn it to less than 20, it turns the green LED on, and then if I put it between the range, it turns it off again, both of them. And here we can see our voltage and our temperature reading.